Here, we're going to look at the differences between information technology and computer science. We're also going to take a look at the kind of career you can expect of each, and which might be the best option based on your skills and work preferences. At a glance, in information technology, careers are more about installing, maintaining, and improving computer systems, operating networks, and databases. Meanwhile, computer science is about using mathematics to program systems to run more efficiently, including in design and development. While computer science education isn't necessary for an IT career, some IT education is fundamental for a computer science degree that later leads to job opportunities. IT can be specialized in many different ways, but CS graduates have opportunities immediately available to them that IT-qualified workers don't. The work environments expected from both careers can vary widely, too. Most IT professionals work as part of a team in an organization, serving internal needs or working directly with clients. Computer scientists, however, work in businesses, colleges, video game development companies, or as freelancers. Regardless of which appeals more, there's plenty of potential for career growth and lucrative job opportunities in both fields. What is computer science? Computer scientists are, in fact, scientists. They are focused with the theory of computational applications. That means they understand the why behind computer programs, using algorithms and advanced mathematics. Computer scientists invent new ways to manipulate and transfer information. Computer scientists are generally concerned with software, operating systems, and implementation. Like Neo in The Matrix, computer scientists can see and make sense of code. Computer science students will learn the fundamentals of different programming languages, linear and discrete mathematics, and software design and development. Computer scientists study the machine itself and understand how and why various computer processes operate the way they do. Simply put, computer scientists can talk to computers. The field is based in mathematical language of computers. Computer scientists understand why computers work and can create a program or operating system that does what you want it to do. What is information technology? Unlike computer science, which focuses on the skills needed to build complex systems from the ground up, information technology specialists configure those systems to solve a business problems. Individuals in IT roles must take ownership of these systems within an organization and work to ensure that they are not only integrated properly upon introduction, but that they are running correctly and continue to function appropriately over time. Some of the most common systems IT specialists work with include databases, servers, networks, software, hardware, industry-specific systems or tools. Although hands-on work with technology is a significant aspect of an IT specialist's work, it's also important that these individuals have effective business skills in order to thrive in this field. Additional responsibilities may include technical support duties, analyzing processes, configuring networks, and training employees on best practices for utilizing certain complex systems. How do I get a career in computer science? Most computer scientists start by earning a degree with a computer science major. Most commonly, they go for 4-year degrees that include placement positions in tech-driven organizations and environments. Computer scientists aiming to work in software developing are also expected to teach themselves coding consistently. Besides the experience needed and the certifications to help prove their competency, there are skills a computer scientist is expected to show, like those in IT professions. SQL and Linux capabilities are expected, but so are Java, systems engineer, and software engineer skills, alongside knowledge on information systems. With those skills, Computer scientists can find places in all kinds of IT professions, as well as a few exclusive options that we'll look at next. How do I get a career in information technology? To start a career in IT, you normally require 2 to 4 year degree programs in an IT-related subject. Some IT team members do start off in help desk positions with much less education and receive training through their employer. However, alongside the right bachelor's degree, training, and experience, skills considered essential for IT roles include aptitude with Linux and SQL, as well as project management skills, technical support skills, and customer service skills. As you progress through an IT career, computer science skills and programming knowledge can help you advance. As such, IT can serve as an entryway to computer science careers. Either way, IT professionals are expected to keep up to date with the latest technologies. Careers in computer science. Computer science is a rapidly growing field and is expected to see large increases in employment opportunities. High salaries are generally associated with computer science careers. If you're pursuing a computer science degree, the following career paths are open to you. Applications software developer. As the creative minds behind applications and programs, software developers design and build programs and applications for computers and technological devices. Angry Birds. A software developer made that. Microsoft Office. That would be software developers again. The median salary for a software developer is $98,260. Systems engineer. Operating systems provide the foundation for computers and devices to function. Microsoft Windows, Linux, and iOS are examples of types of operating systems. Systems engineers design and create those types of systems for use in personal computers, phones, and even cars. According to PayScale, the median pay for systems engineers is $76,593. Web developer. Web developers are not graphic designers. Graphic designers create the images you see on websites. Web developers program the code that makes a website function. Web developers integrate the graphics, audio, and video into the site and monitor the site's traffic, performance, and capacity. The median salary for a web developer is $64,970. Careers in information technology at every level, from mom-and-pop shops to multinational corporations. Businesses need IT. Over the next decade, career opportunities in IT are expected to grow faster than average. Depending on your level of education, a degree in IT can provide a comfortable paycheck. Information security analyst. IT security analysts work to prevent cyber attacks by monitoring the business network for breaches and weak spots and to create emergency plans in the event of an attack. The median annual salary for information security analysts is $90,120. Network architect, sometimes called network engineers. These IT professionals design and build communication networks, such as local areas and intranets. The median annual salary for network architects is $100,240. Computer support specialist. Support specialists provide advice and troubleshooting help to individuals and businesses that have questions about their software. The median salary for computer support specialists is $51,470. Database administrator. DBAs use software and programs to organize and store data for businesses that range from financial firms to shipping companies. The median annual salary for this role is $81,710. Systems administrator. System administrators conduct the day-to-day maintenance and operation of a business networks, including LANs, WANs, intranets, and other communication systems. Salaries for this position vary by industry. The median annual pay for system administrators is $77,810. Computer science responsibilities: updating existing hardware and software for efficiency and ease. Writing code for new computer programs, websites, applications for mobile devices, and other industry-specific systems such as databases, cloud-based storage, artificial intelligence products, and more. Deploying systems, including the installation, configuration, testing, and adaptation of those within a new environment. This is work that is done on a continual basis, as programs update, change, and improve. Presenting developed programs to businesses as part of the sales process of a new product. As computer scientists have the most technical understanding of how a program they developed works, these professionals will likely be in charge of demonstrating its functionality to businesses. Managing a team when the designing of a program includes many stages, components, or stakeholders. This may require them to step into a more project management or facilitator role, which includes helping guide the group through the development process, publishing industry articles on complex mathematics and computer science theories. Information technology responsibilities: working closely with the business they support to understand their goals and implement the systems needed to achieve those goals. Integrating various systems, ensuring they function cohesively within an organization. This may include databases, networks, clouds, storage drives, and more. Maintaining the function of those systems over time, keeping up with updates, improvements, and new products as needed. Programming, but to a much lesser extent than that of a computer scientist. Gorton explains that an information technology graduate can build basic programs, just not super complex ones. Working with vendors on cost and efficiency estimates on new products and the processes through which those products can be integrated into existing systems to add new features or value. Keeping up with relevant rules and laws regarding products, including licensing and other mandates.